What is up, guys? Welcome to YTC. So over here we have 3-in-1 wireless charger by Hycober. So I picked this up on Amazon recently for around 30 USD. So this is not a sponsored video by Hycober in any way. I just thought I'd give an honest review of this product, what it feels like and how it actually charges your devices. For example, it's meant to charge your iPhone wirelessly as well as your Apple Watch and the AirPods all together using one cable, kind of like this. So you got your Apple Watch, your iPhone and the AirPods, and you can pretty much change it in these set of orientations, and it's basically very easily transportable and wired up to 18 watt. Actually the input ranges from 18 to 40 watt, and it outputs 2.5 watts for the watch, 3 watts for earbuds and 10 watts for the cell phone. I got the black version, so let's get into this with the handy dandy Swiss knife. So get the Hycober logo, some wireless charger user manual. So as you can see, there's a folding method. It has position 1, 2 and 3. It's got an earbuds indicator, a charging port, watch indicator and cell phone indicator, so that's pretty neat, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So before we get to this, let's have a look at the charging brick. Actual ratings. Charging cable. USB-C to USB-A, and the actual so actually right off the bat it's got this like cool magnetic feel to it. You can see here, I don't know if you can. It's quite satisfying, and it's got a really decent weight to it. It's not at all heavy. It's quite light, very pocketable, very easy to transport. So actually I've noticed it says here that it's incompatible with a Samsung Galaxy Watch, and it also says to please remove the cell phone case before charging. That's pretty inconvenient. I'll definitely test that out and let you guys know. So I believe it sits like this and phone goes there. This is where the AirPods sit, and I gotta so you gotta lift it and puck this up so your watch goes here. I'll show you guys when I set it up. And yeah, the cable I believe connects here, right there. Pretty neat. So let us check this device in use charging multiple devices. Starting with the Apple Watch, followed by Apple AirPods, and lastly then iPhone without the case. So these three indicators indicate which device is charging, the left being iPhone, middle being the watch, and the right being the Apple AirPods. As you can see, all three devices are charging fine. Now let us check whether the iPhone actually charges without a case. I have one right here. Case is on. And yes, there you go, it's charging. This device has a really satisfying magnetic clip due to the MagSafe of the iPhone. There's a very satisfying magnetic clip. If you see, it literally slides into place and it's so satisfying. So if you're not looking to charge three devices, you can easily fold this and charge the device you desire. Let's check it out. If I just want to charge the Apple Watch, I can fold it in this manner and lay it flat, and the watch goes this way, so it takes a smaller footprint. If I just want to charge the iPhone, I might as well fold it this way and flip it this way so that the iPhone gets plopped that way, keeping a small profile. And if I wanted to charge just the AirPods, I would fold it this way and keep it like this. So we all know that this charges the iPhone and that this is the AirPods. But what if I gave you one bonus tip? So let's say you have two phones that you'd like to charge on this dock. Would it be possible? The answer is yes. You can easily switch the Apple AirPods section with another phone. Let's take this phone for example, and it also will charge. So this comes in handy when, let's say, you have two devices. So this product is pretty premium. I mean, it's very light, and at the same time it's got like this sturdy velcro, not really velcro, but like rubberized mat that's pretty sturdy, and the cable from pretty much goes like through it. As for this material, it's really nice and soft to the touch, kind of rubbery and matte at the same time, and it feels definitely premium. Like for 30 bucks, I'm pretty shocked like they managed to fit. Basically you get to charge all your devices, and it's kind of neat. Regarding the durability, I believe this would last. It's got these three indicators over here. This is for this one, this for this, and this for this. But it's pretty neat if you ask me. I'll give this a thumbs up. It's definitely worth $30. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.